Hey lovelies, and welcome to Glam Key. This video is going to be a get ready with me, and I'll be using Juvia's Saharan palette. So let's get into it. First of all, out of the Saharan palette, I'll be using this color, Sakoto. And it will be my main color for this look. So I'm going to take a fluffy brush, and I will apply this into my crease and blend it out. Fat, close my door. Okay, I can hear your TV. I don't need no background. I don't hate, thank you. Close my door. It's not closed yet. So when I apply, I will apply a lot at one time and just blend it out. Pack it on and blend it out. So I'm going to use the same brush, and I'm going to add this Katsina, the brown in that palette, and I'm going to add that. I'm going to use the other side of the brush and use that as my transition color. So I'm going to apply that above the edge of the first color I used. Blend that out really well. So I'm going to take a big fluffy brush and blend it out some more. I didn't add any more product, I'm just blending. I'm going to use this pink color called Fula. I'll be using Fula right here. And I will pat that on my lid. In the center. Now with this palette, the colors are interchangeable, so you can use any other shimmery colors to center. This pink, gold, the other gold, the rose gold over here, silver, and use a darker color like this black right here in the outer corner, or this pinky color, any color, and you can add that to the outer corner, which I'm going to do right now. So I'm going to take that black and I'm going to apply that to my outer corner. I'm going to start slowly and just pack it on the outer edge. Then, in the same palette, I'm going to use that same fluffy brush, fluffy brush. I'm going to add the brown Katsina, and I'm going to blend that in. And then add the first color I use on top of that. So I'm adding Sokoto on top and blending it out. Now, I could have left it black like it was and just blended it out, but I didn't want it to be really dark, so I just did that. Now I'm going to take that same little pencil brush and just, since there's black already on it, I'm going to just add that to it and just smear it around or smudge it out a little. And blend it just to soften it up a little. That is only, it's only okay. Now on the inner corner, I'm adding that silver called Iman, and it'll be my inner corner color. And use a tiny little flat brush and just put that on. And blend it with the pink color. So guys, this is the final look and I hope you like it. If you do, please give it a thumbs up, and if you aren't subscribed already, please feel free to do so, and leave a comment if you want, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.